Hi, I have eyebrow problems, and now I have eyebrow solutions. Hi, friends. I know I look a little rough. Don't worry, we're going to fix this together. Look how weird people look with no eyebrows. It's so weird. Anyways, hi, I have psoriasis really bad, and I would get it in my eyebrows I've had it for like 31 years. And over time, the eyebrows just wouldn't grow back. I have no filter on so you can see, like they're just bald at the ends. I'm pretty sure some of that also has to do with age, but I'm in denial about that part. Last year, at some point, I did a brand review for iMethod Beauty, and I started using their little, hold on, I'm gonna show you. I used their little da-da-da, da-da-da, and paint them on, and it kind of made my life easier, like I would just do it on my way to work. But now they have a pen. So it's like a pen, right? There's a thin side and a thick side. And so you can paint and shape them exactly as you want. I don't know if you can see, like, it draws on like the eyebrow. I'm going to show you in a second. But, and then it's like a tattoo, It's going to stay all day.